Hello everyone. We finished the whole week. It's time for a weekly recap. Let's recall what we learned. We learned how to say BAHALI for expensive, pricey stuff. We learned how to say unexpected, out of the blue, GÖYDÄN DÜŞMÄ. We learned ENDİRİM, discount, price reduction, markdown. We learned how to say Dükan. Remember? For small shops, small stores. That can be either grocery shop or barber shop. We also learn how to say Ucuz for low cost, cheap stuff. And Almaq, of course, gotta take action to buy, to receive, to take. And we learned Mağaza for much more better, well-equipped stores and shops. Now, remember those dad joke uses? I went to Mağaza for a fan and came back with a drone. Almaq or save money? That is the question. I told the GPS to take me to the coolest Dükan in town, and he took me to a local hardware store. Even though it was pretty Ucuz, it had that premium feel and look. My wallet saw that BAHALI watch and took a sick day. Now quiz time. Which word means both buy and receive? Comment below if you know the answer, and don't worry about letters like sh, ch. Just comment whatever you think is the right one, closest one. All right. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for next week's new words. Remember, consistency is fluency. I'll see you tomorrow for a new word. Until then, check masterazerbaijani.com for more. There are blogs, more information, and some interesting and exciting stuff incoming. Make sure to check it out. Cheers.